Oh, wait, there we are.
It's
All right, so boys, we are out and about. We're looking for something today, and oh god, it's cold out.
It is chippy. It is cool today.
Lee brought his Jeep out, which is nice because he has good tires. Because
oh, really? We're at 2,500 feet.
mine sucks. So what we're doing right now is we're doing
Bring it back. We're too far.
scouting
Yeah.
for this particular area. He's got his drone up.
Yeah, and it's
Right now, he's looking at the GPS.
so we'd be like here.
So this is what Eddie sees right here.
Well, that's kind of. He has been seeing.
What's what he had been seeing since I put my phone in the way.
What I normally see is here.
That's what you normally see.
Yeah, but today we're going this route.
Chippy Chim Sunday.
Yeah, it is a nippy day.
I'm kind of flying blind right now.
So I'm actually using a new phone today, so
All right, so when we hit
I just wonder if the clarity's any better.
100 feet. Let's go back to.
Well, there's...
Yeah, let's so bring the big map up so we can take a look around.
Okay.
And we can we just get a pan around so we know where.
Yep. How's the camera angle? Do you want to be down more?
Well, I'm just trying to see if we can
Get
see
your
the
bearings?
ridge.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Well, we're probably okay.
Oh god, it's so cold out today.
No.
And I didn't put all my winter gear on, so stupid me.
You're not wearing underwear again.
The only thing I could try to
Didn't you learn last time?
I don't want to wear underwear anyway, so.
Don't worry. I brought like 3 extra. And 2 are clean.
Oh, I'll wear the other ones. They'll be thicker with the dirt.
Oh, I already called the clean ones, so.
Looks like my hand type of deal. Is that a trail or a brook?
So we're hoping to find what we're looking for today. Let's see if we can zoom in here a little bit.
Bring the camera down to that.
Oh, I guess you can't zoom. Huh. Oh, whoops.
Something there. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Do you see it?
No, that could be tree. I think it's a tree.
Everything could be something else to
Yeah.
But we got
Snow's
a good shot.
covering.
We can zoom that in
Yeah.
later or whatever. You want me to drop down now? What do you want me to do?
Yeah, just a little bit.
Okay.
I think it's actually a tree.
Looks like the butt. Yeah.
Is that Bigfoot?
That's that's the, I would say that's the root system.
Yeah.
Stump. Whatever.
Squeeze yourself around.
Snow, it's crunchy. It's not my bum that's crunchy.
Actually, yeah, that's over there.
You ever have a celebrity story where you meet a celebrity for the first time? First time I met Jonathan Torrens, he told me that he was in an elevator. His first celebrity meeting was in Toronto when he was starting with Jonovision. They were taking over the old
Just
Mr. Dress Up
do
studio.
a circle
And he jumped in the elevator one
so
day.
that we can take a look. Like move it as well
Elevator
and then
doors
just
opened
circle
up
back.
and who walked in?
Yeah,
But
yeah, I will.
Mr. Dress Up. He was
Trying to
starstruck.
like a
"Whoa,
100-foot
whoa, whoa,
radius
what's that?"
type of thing.
And he didn't know what to say, and he froze. And got to the next floor, and doors opened up, and Ernie, Mr. Combs,
Take a look at that.
takes a step out, and he takes a breath like I'm finally going to say something to him. And Mr. Dress Up looks at him and says, "The snow under my boots goes crunchy, crunch, crunch." And he walked away. And he never got to say anything. He just stood there, and I was like, "This is my celebrity meeting, listening about somebody
got it
else's
shot
celebrity
over
meeting."
the
Which is,
Yeah, can you
Nice.
stop for a sec? Just
and Mr. Dress Up.
Look at it.
or
Closer.
just move the camera down.
Yeah. Down, go down.
Can we move it a little bit?
Yeah. It's not the
Dylan, what do you mean by the tropical South Shore? Oh. This is beautiful. Look, it's white sandy beaches.
White sandy beach.
Look, it's so pretty.
Wait,
I got my...
take a look at it.
Oh, wait, what?
Can't tell, but there's a ridge there.
Okay.
That's something kind of weird there.
Yeah. Can we move closer then?
Yep. Can so.
You mean closer to Eddie? Can you want to
Yeah.
scooch in?
Yeah, block the wind. It's I gotta be careful because I'm zoomed in,
Yeah.
so I should be safer. But I'm gonna go up just a little bit. That's a long walk.
How far away is this from where we're standing right now?
1,700 feet, 1,800 feet.
Oh, that's a down tree.
Yep, it is.
Yeah.
Okay, so
MU trees.
We're gonna keep searching with the GPS, the drone, and then we're gonna get our boots on the ground out there. Because if I don't start moving soon, I'm gonna be a Randall sickle. So, all right. So just stay tuned, and we'll put some more up a little bit.